What was your favorite thing about yesterday?
I played.
You played?
At the park.
At the park? Cruise? We didn't go to the park yesterday. Enzo, what was your favorite thing about yesterday?
The waves.
Like, what about the waves was like fun?
That they crashed down on me, and then I got all the way to the bottom. Then they put me all the way back up.
Yeah.
They put me all the way to the bottom, all the way back up.
Nice. Yeah, you can just put it in a minute. Thank you so much. Dan.
I guess you're technically on.
We're gonna make a fish. Okay. That didn't work. We gotta make another one.
Their birthday cake.
My birthday cake?
Wait, it's their birthday.
Okay.
Can you eat it? Eat it. We need a big for all the things. What? I ate something like this for school.
Oh.
I ate that at school too. Nope. Will you eat me? No. No. Yes, you are. I want that one.
You need sprinkles on this one?
Yeah. I want that
Look,
first.
Mommy.
I want that first.
You want that first?
Are they both the same?
Yeah. Get the next one, okay? Back up, buddy. It's,
Okay.
yeah,
You want the sprinkles too? Okay.
How is it?
Amazing.
Wow, Mommy.
Very good.
Get the sprinkles, Mama.
Sometimes it's easier to eat it like an ice cream cone.
Oh.
And then once it gets down here.
Okay, I'll carry it. Come on, Mama. Yeah, take a bite. Like this, Mommy. Go like that. Oh, you're gonna do it like that? Okay. All right. Yummy? Woohoo! Yeah.
Mom,
What?
I touched the bottom.
You touched the bottom? Wow.
I touched the bottom.
Wow. Come on, guys.
Why do you
Guys. Can you imagine if it comes over here? I don't want to scare it. You like that name, Gary. You've said that before. What'd you say, Crizzy?
I said his name.
Dave? Oh, Look, guys.
Say syrup.
Ooh,
Right.
thank you.
You're gonna share this one. I'm gonna bring your plate here.
Yeah.
Side 2 eggs here.
Yes.
Well, on the medium. Get this out.
Yummy.
Yes, I got you.
You want some eggs?
I'll bring back some water.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Hawaii. What is that? Oh, is that a tattoo?
It's the Maui
Cool.
Ocean Center, but I have to read it like this because it got mirrorified.
Nice. It says your journey begins here. All right, let's go this way.
This leaf is like, it looks like plastic, but it's not. Wow. We need to see what it looks like. A color, like unicorn. That is not a unicorn.
Wait, is that it? No, that's not it.
That's that. Yeah, that's that one.
Oh, I see it. It's right here.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh, wow, that looks actually kind of cool.
Huh?
I did see it.
Oh, you already saw it? Okay. All right, well, let's move on to the next thing. Look, Mommy, say cheese. Ooh. Look. The unicorn fish.
Why do I hear a theme song? I hear a theme song. It's Look at this one. Look at the big one, Mom. Look. Turn around.
Wow.
Let's go to the other place.
How'd it feel?
Like a rock.
Oh, really? Put your face in.
They're non-developed, those things are non-developed, starfish.
Ah, okay, pick one. Put your face in so I can take a picture. Okay, go be an octopus. Well, she wants to be the octopus, so you be the shark or something. Yeah, turtle. And the octopus is right there, Mama. You want that one? Okay. Go say cheese. Look at me, Mommy. You gotta look at me. Hello. Cheese. Okay, I got you. Oh my goodness, you see it, Mommy? Come over here, I'll show you. Oh, look, they're swimming around.
That's a school.
Look, it right here, swimming.
That's what a school field trip looks like.
Wow. Let me see. All right, I got you. What's this place? Let's go inside. Yeah, you have those in your room? Yeah.
This looks like a beach that would go on Photoshop.
Okay, you ready to be buried? Okay, I'm gonna bury you.
Keep your arms down.